Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on my In the Hoop Bat 1. They'll be available on my Etsy store. Okay, so like always, it's going to start the machine with a placement stitch where it's going to stitch out where you're going to put the piece of fabric, and then you're going to add your piece of fabric, and we're going to let the machine run for a while as it stitches out all the little details on the back. After it's done stitching the face, stop the machine, take out the hoop, and we're going to flip it to the back side because now we're going to either tape or add adhesive to hold the fabric in place. Also, remember to place the fabric right side, so the right side facing up. And it's all ready to take back and put into the machine, and it's going to create the final stitch holding the top and bottom fabric together to create our little wand. After that, we're going to cut it out, and you can add a tool or any fun trim, the stick, and that's pretty much it. Here's our little bat one. Again, I'll link the file down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys!